Hello children, welcome to St. Joseph's Academy video learning classes. This video is for class 2 subject general knowledge. Today we will discuss 3 topics. Topic number 1 is journey of milk from cow to cup. Topic number 2 capital cities word. Topic number 3 weather report. This video is prepared by Ritu Bishramola. So children, this is your GK book, Start Up GK 2. So children, page number 26 and 27. Our topic is journey of milk from cow to cup. So children, this is the picture of milk. Can you tell me where do we get milk? Your answer must be cow. So children, journey of milk from cow to cup. You drink milk every day, but do you know how it reaches you? Come, let us see. See the first picture. Here in the first picture, cow graze in the field to eat grass. In the first picture, the cow graze in the field to eat grass. Happy cow give more milk. See the second picture. In the second picture, farmers milk the cow 2 or 3 times every day. Then, in the third picture, the milk truck collects milk from the farmers and takes it to the dairy plant. And then in the fourth picture, milk is tested in the dairy plant. Why they test it? To see if it is fresh and clean. Then in the fifth picture, in the dairy plant, the milk is heated at a very high temperature to kill germs. The milk is then said to be pasteurized. Then in the sixth picture, now milk can be used to make other products like cheese, paneer, ice cream or curd. In the seventh picture, the products are packed and sent to store. And then in the eighth picture, milk reaches your home and you drink it. So children, let's answer the questions. Question number 1. Name any 3 animals that gives us milk. Name the 3 animals that give us milk. So answer must be buffalo, cow, goat. Question number 2. When you think of milk, which words comes to your mind? Dairy or dairy? So your answer must be dairy. D-A-I-R-Y, dairy. Question number 3. Why is milk tested at a dairy plant? Yes, to see if it is fresh and clean. Question number 4. What do you call milk which has been heated at a very high temperature to kill germs. So your answer must be pasteurized. Question number 5. Name any 3 products which can be made from milk. So your answer must be cheese, butter and curd. You can write any 3 products which can be made from milk. Question number 6. How many glasses of milk do you drink every day? So children, your answer must be 2. We should drink 2 glasses of milk every day. Question number 7. Milk helps to make which part of your body strong? So answer is bones. Question number 8. Which is your favorite milk product? You can write any name of your favorite milk product. So your answer must be ice cream. So children, our next topic is capital cities world. It's on page number 28. So children, let's learn the country and their capital city. So number 1, India. India's capital is New Delhi. Number 2, China. China's capital is Beijing. Number 3, United States of America means USA. Its capital is Washington DC. Come to the number 4, Italy. Italy's capital is Rome. Come to the number 5, France. France's capital is Paris. Come to the number 6, Japan. Japan's capital city is Tokyo. So children, now I am showing you picture of flags with their country. So children, now match the country to the capital city while taking the correct flag. So India, its flag color is saffron, white and green. And capital city is New Delhi. Now come to the number 2, China. China's flag color is red. And its capital city is Beijing. Come to the number 3, United States of America. Its flag color is red and blue at the top. So its capital city is Washington DC. Come to the number 4, Italy. Its flag color is green, white and red. And its capital city is Rome. Come to the number 5, France. Its flag color is red, blue, white. And its capital city is Paris. Japan. Japan flag color is one circle in red color in the center. And its capital city is Tokyo. So children, now our next topic is weather report. So children, let's do the exercise number 1. Fill in the blanks. Here is a one help box. Some words are given. Number 1 is cloudy. Number 2, thunderstorm. Number 3, sunny. Number 4, rainy. Number 5, winds. So see the first question. Today, Jaipur had a dash and bright day. So your answer is sunny. Because here is a picture of bright sun. See the question number 2. In Kolkata, the sky was covered with dark grey clouds. It was a dash day. Yes, so your answer must be cloudy. Come to the number 3. Strong dash blew along the coast of Goa. So your answer must be winds. Come to the question number 4. A dash the west coast of Kerala. So your answer must be thunderstorm. Come to the number 5. It was a dash day in Hyderabad. All the school remained closed. So here is a picture of one cloud and rain. So your answer must be raining. So it was a rainy day in Hyderabad. All the schools remained closed. So children, let's try to do the activity. Question number 2. Draw a weather symbol to show how is the weather like in your city today. Based on the newspaper report, also state the maximum and minimum temperatures recorded yesterday in your city. So see this column. On the left hand side, today's weather, write down the date. On the right hand side, yesterday's weather, maximum temperature, write on the top, and then minimum temperature. So children, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you.